What is going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some delicious barbecue vegan chicken sandwiches. These are super easy to make, and I'm going to be using soy curls for the vegan chicken, and I will show you exactly how everything is done. So let's jump right into the kitchen and get started. And real quick, if you are new to my channel and wondering what to expect, I share recipes, food reviews, fitness videos, and anything under the health and fitness genre. So if that's something that interests you guys, please make sure to click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you never miss an upload. With that being said, let's jump right into the kitchen. So these right here are the soy curls. I've used these before in my previous videos, but since it's been a while, I figured I would show them again. As you can see here, there's only one ingredient, and that is whole non-GMO soybeans, so that's great. In terms of protein, we got 11 grams of protein per serving, and there's 8 servings in this container right here. So a whole ton of protein in here. This is how they look, aside from the crumbly ones in the bottom, because that's pretty much unavoidable. But as you can see here, they're kind of like little chicken finger type deals, except made with soy, obviously. And all you gotta do is soak them in some water for 10 minutes, and then you can spice them with whatever you want, and they soak it up very well. And I will show you guys exactly how we're gonna do that, so let's do it. So now we're just gonna let these soak for about 10 minutes. So now it has been about 10 minutes, and as you can see, these definitely soaked up that liquid. They were crunchy before, and now I can poke a fork right through them. And these are fully hydrated. So now all we have to do is strain them, and then we can start spicing them up. So now what I'm gonna add is just some barbecue sauce and some Frank's Red Hot sauce. So this is gonna give it that barbecue buffalo flavor. So you can obviously add as much barbecue sauce as you want. I'm gonna add this much now, and then if I need more later, I will just add some more when we're cooking it. All right, so now we got the sauce in here. I'm gonna let this marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Obviously, the longer you let it marinate, the better, but I'm really hungry, so it's gonna take 15 to 20 minutes for me, if I can wait that long, and then we're gonna get to cooking these up. All right, guys, so I ended up being on a call for much longer than expected, so these have been marinating for an hour. Can't wait to cook these up. I bet the sauce is completely soaked up in there, and I can't wait, so let's do it. All right, so I'm making this vegan ranch now. I got about a tablespoon of mayonnaise, which is vegan mayonnaise, and then I'm gonna add just a dash of apple cider vinegar to it. And then we'll be adding some onion powder as well as some dill. Also, you do wanna add just a little bit of salt to it. Now, I don't like mine very thick, so if you're like me, you can also add some unsweetened plant milk to it, and that will just thin it out just a tiny bit. So depending on your desired consistency, you can add a little more or a little less, but to me, that looks just about perfect. All right, so now it's time to plate this up. So I got this Dave's Killer Bread bun right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the vegan ranch that I made, some lettuce that I chopped up, and then the soy curls. We'll drizzle a bit more ranch, and then we are ready to eat. All right, guys, so here's the final product. I actually took a bite already because I just could not wait, but I must say it was absolutely delicious, but I have to do a bite for you guys, so let's do that. Letting the soy curls marinate for about an hour was a really good idea. They absorb the flavor so well, and there's literally not a hint of anything but barbecue and buffalo when you chew into this. Like, I had a piece just on its own, and it literally tastes like what I remember barbecue chicken tasting like. So it's absolutely delicious. I definitely recommend this recipe. It's super simple, as you guys saw. And yeah, there's nothing left to say here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below and let me know, have you ever had soy curls, or will you be trying these if you can find them? Because I know they're kind of hard to find. But I would love to hear your guys' feedback, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Peace. Time for another bite.